Great day, everyone. Let's go here. Let's grab the live for today. Hello, hello. There we go. All right, just gonna grab this, copy, and paste. Boom, boom. All right, there we go. The live is set up. Music is not playing. Let's try that again. There we go, there we go. All right, let's come on over here. Everything needs to be a little refreshed. Refresh, refresh. Busy day today. I mean, we have so many, my goodness, nothing wants to load properly. But let's pull this on up here. We've got all of these 143 earnings today. So we've got a lot of earnings to talk about. If there's one in particular that catches your fancy, let's put it on the list. All right, all right. We've got Qualcomm tuning in today. Let's get rid of the italics there. Fuel Cell is killing it too, to the upside. We got to put Fuel Cell on there. And I want to show you something amazing. We got Qualcomm going. ConocoPhillips, price to earnings 92 on PWR. So Finviz is awesome. I'm going to put this in here, just the screener, if you guys want that. Oops, I sent blank, no information. So there's Finviz right there. All right, let's come on over. I need to do just a little black box. Let's see. Oh, you know what I could do quick? I go like this. No, that won't work. But if I just go like this and I say black screen, like this, and let's just go images, and boom, and we go down like this, and then like this, and now we have the little texting zone, so you guys can see it. Why is my Tradingview not populating? There we go. Goodbye. We'll close that one out. Bring this one over. Thank you. Forex Factory today. Crude oil inventories at 10:30. Just kidding. That's yesterday. Nothing really wants to work. All right, 8:30, we already have our numbers that pretty much come in, except for personal spending, but that's not a big one. We have 0.6 on income, unemployment claims lower than expected, GDP lower than expected, cost index higher than expected, GDP quarter over quarter is down 2.0. Okay, really makes it hard for me to chart when I don't have anything. All right, let's look at crypto fear and greed. We'll go ahead and take care of this right now while I'm waiting for that to populate. Let me clean my cache again. Let's just clean it up. There we go. Sometimes that's all you need. Now here's the really cool thing. Moby Tick, you guys have not seen this. This is pretty amazing, right? Fuel Cell right here. I'm playing around because you can change the layouts now. So trade mapping. Look at this, trade mapping. If it goes above 1550, your price targets. If it goes below, like this makes it so easy. What do you guys want to see today? Let's look at Qcom. Qcom. If it goes above 172.75, let's go to 173.50. Let me give you guys the link. Yes, this is my buddy, Dave, and I am an affiliate for him because his stuff is awesome. I should say the software is awesome, and what he has done here is just amazing. So we've got the average true range right there, and this is setting up your trades for you. Like, my volume is a little low. Hold on. Hold on. How's that? Is that better? Better or worse? Better or worse. For better or for worse. You guys are with me. Thank you so much. Same. Okay. Let me try this. 2 secs. Testing. Headset. Let's see if this works. How is it now? Is that better? Is that better? Testing. Can you hear the music? Same. Is the volume on your say YouTube the same? Volume is good there. Thank you. Okay, here, I can turn down the music. How's that? Is that better? Okay. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Let me see if I can get to the mixer here. Laptop, speaker, microphone. How about this? Is that better? Better? Worse? Better? Worse? Oh, it's better now. Volume's good. Okay, perfect. I changed up the input. Okay, so look at this. This is super cool. Moby Tick. I put the link in the chat. So, echo. Dang nabbit. I turned off the Yeti, so I only have one. Good now. Okay, perfect. Okay, awesome. So we're back at it. So this is what's really cool is this will give you the targets, right? So it will automatically create your trades for you. So like I said, fuel cell is killing it. Got into fuel cell. And now if you get in above 1550, price target 1695, profit level right there. You could use this for options. You could use this for trading. Okay, just a little, hey, let's look at that. Okay, so let's get into it. They have not changed their level. We are bullish above right now at the 710.23. Let's go to the Qs. We've got 20 minutes to power through this. Finally, the charts wanted to load up. They have not really changed their level. They popped it up just a little. 583.66. All right, they moved it up just a hair. So bullish on the Qs, bearish on the Russell. 276.74, that stays the same. The Dow. Let me come on over here. Here. 494.34. Okay, that is the same. Let's go to RSP here. Have they changed their level from 201.93? Nope, still there. All right, let's look at SPY M. Let me tell you, when I say that life is busy right now, it is just insane. Okay. So this one, yes. I'm gonna put this as an orange so I know that that's like springtime. Hey, hey. All right, 77.07, that's the same. And let's look at MAG 7. MAG 7, have they sold it? Have they bought it? Wow, look at that drop yesterday. Oh, these little sneakers. You little sneaky sneaks. Let's see, where's your bigger money level for us? Oh yeah, 63.63. That sounds like it might wanna. That is what it is, right? 66.89, everything is above. So right now we're getting greens everywhere except for on the broader market. The Russell is looking like it wants to pull back. Let's finish up the, all right. Let's look at, Wayfair is pulling back. I actually like Wayfair. Do you guys like Wayfair? Have you guys ever ordered from Wayfair? I like it. All right, meta mistake there. All right, Duck made a meta mistake. Nvidia's up, Apple's up, Tesla's up. We already had earnings for Tsla. Pump is not doing so well. Ooh, 8% drop. We have so many. Again, I did post in the chat as well the earnings right here. You can see all of the different ones that have pulled, or not pulled back, but have announced earnings. MasterCard. RCL. Come on, let's get after it. Ooh, this one is moving up. All right. Family surprise. Unless my husband was watching and then I just which if he says nothing, that means he's not watching. Okay. MasterCard. Master mistake again, like Nvda. Heavy metalish. Power pulling back to Southern Company. You know, let's do like by sectors. MT. Basic materials. Life Zone metals. Let's check out LZM. Never heard of it. Just curious. With the metals moving up. Never heard of it. Hyatt Hotels. Travel. USA Today. I think that's just dropping. Who really pays attention to USA Today? Dead. Nobody buys it. Let's check out Hilton. Or Hyatt. Sorry. Hyatt. Ford pulled back just 5%. I know that, let's come back over here. Let's go here. Let's go dashboard. Let's check out who had the biggest trades yesterday. Micron. Let's check out on the Amazon. STX. Those are super pricey though. I don't want to get you guys all just the big, heavy, overly priced stocks. Microsoft is definitely one I'm watching. BMO. Yep. Whew. All right, 705 million. All right. You know what? I didn't do the limits. Let's do our limits as well. Not much of a difference for the SPY there. 711.58, 661.57. These can be 208, 488, 67. So what's really interesting is that the Mag 7 is advancing while the broader market is declining. So that means that once those 7 stocks topple, yeah, it's not going to be pretty, because how much of a percentage are they of the overall market now, right? All right, let's post this out. You guys are quiet. Anything else you want to check out? Anything that you have on your list that you want to check out? I highly recommend checking out, like I said, Moby. He's always doing advancements on it. It is a amazing software, and truly this BMO, I really like the setup on BMO. Which one are you talking about? I'm in Fuel Cell. I've been in Fuel Cell since 1176 over here. Right here. 1176, weathered the pain of the dollar, and boom, moving to the upside. This one has potential to even advance up further. See? We had the split right here. And we're outside. AMDR. I don't know it. Don't have it. Are you talking about AMD? Not showing up for me. AMKR. Okay, perfect. Amcor. Pull back to the 15. Bigger money is above at 71.38, so this looks like it could potentially continue to the downside. Right now, the bigger money is hanging out around 68. I would say go bull above 68.80 or bear below 67.50. All right, let me tweet out what we're covering. See if we can grab some more people, help some more people profit today. Did I put mags in there? I didn't mean to put mags in there. MasterCard. All right, we're also going to do the inverse indicators, all that good stuff, broader market picture. I'm not really going to do crypto right now because I don't really have time. I got a little bit of a late start today. So let's go right on into UVXY. Let's check out what's going on. 37.68 here. Bigger money level is at 39.06. They have not moved that, but if you see, they've put all of it, they've consolidated it right here. So really below 38.30 or above 39.59. We go above 39.59. Excuse me, you heard that. Then we are going to see the market drop. In my opinion, just for what it's worth. Okay, we're not there yet. Still bullish as of right now. 28.74 for the VIX. It's interesting because they had such big levels for the implied volatility moves. And usually that comes with higher VIX. UVIX 551. Their levels has not changed at 578, so still bullish there. Oh, you know what? SPXS. Let's add this puppy on. Oh, I gotta do it over here. Yes, add SPXS. Put it back. Took it off by mistake yesterday. Oops. All right, 31.12, that has not changed. Still getting a green. So we're getting confusing signals. We are above right here, but the broader market we're below, which is very weird to me that we have sold on the broader market, but still getting green on SPXS and the SPY. Something doesn't jive. Something's going to change. We're not that far away. All right, SRTY. We are in short mode on SRTY, 29.96 and 28.72. SDOW. What are these? What are these? These are the inverse indicators. So they move opposite direction to the ETFs. 29.43. So this is just giving us a bull signal, which is interesting. We were getting a bear signal on that for quite a while. So SRT is the laggard at the moment. GLL, we had a bit of a reversal top, a island gap right here, abandoned baby. So right now, still waiting for that to go above 1917. Disclosure, I did get back into my silver yesterday on this overextension. So let's see if we're able to come back down below 2161. Right now, it is still in that bear move. So I could get a bit burned, but I got in roughly at the middle of the day yesterday. So still some nice little gains. I'll put maybe a stop in. Let's check out USO. I did give a USO target here on Tradingview up to 165. So it's not there yet. Our bigger money level has just changed a bit, but looking for this to head to 165. Let's look at the dollar index. I like to go to capital.com because it has the volume. I can check it out. So we did have a reversal here, which would also be, they changed their positioning, the price action below 98.116 or 169. There we go. So that is saying short the dollar. Let's check out if they did it on UUP and UDN as well. Because we hit that 200 exponential, they did 27.49 and 27.41. So this is like the teeter-totter where this could be a scenario where we see the dollar drop and the commodities rise. So it could be the prime entry, but it's also the riskiest time to get into any trade right when you enter. So be careful with that. So right now I'm seeing selling of the dollar. They've not confirmed the move yet on UDN. It's still 4 cents shy of giving me that full-on signal. But I am seeing that we're having a reversal in the metals and the dollar is reversing as well. So looking to see if we will get that full-on move, or are they going to test their levels that they had where they sold gold and silver and sold the dollar or bought the dollar and flip it around. We shall see. All right, let's get into the stocks for fuel cell. Oop, dropped a pen. 677 over here for our daily point of control from earnings. $52.81. So this is shorter float. Let's come to our short volume here. 48% there. Let's clean this up. Get rid of that. All right, let's also put Qcom on here. Qcom was 58% short, advancing, so that means, hey, guess what? Potentially a short squeeze. Google, they were expecting a rise. Most people bought Nvda, 39% short overnight, and Tsla. $50, even Steven. All right, let's get into the trading potential levels here. All right, I don't have any lines on it, so let's put them on. Got some allergy throat going on. But it's the radio voice. All right, so it looks like they sold this morning up at 15.20. So yes, we've got to get back above that. Let's look at 15.40 here as a potential for a move to the upside. They pulled it back down to the 200 exponential, the 161. If you see this, follow it, start paying attention. Let's say if it goes below 1340, it's going to be another nice short. Don't really think so because we have so much bullish momentum, but it could definitely happen. Let's look at Qcom now. We've got 4 more minutes for me to power through all these. All right, Qcom 1.07 billion. It did have earnings overnight, so it gets a bold. If you guys are new to me, that's what that bold means. Let's go ahead and pop our point of control on here so we see, where are you hiding, big money? You're hiding at 173.02. I see you. You're not hiding very well. You can't lie with the numbers since they're on the chart. All right, where are my levels? I don't have any. Huh, okay. Yes, I do. Right there. All right, on 5 minutes. Let's see, up above 175.50. Or below 171. Let's go to Google. You can see the level before from last earnings, 314 and 390. Last night, they're hanging out at 369.73. Potential day trade here. Below 369.20 or above 375.50. Why Goog and not Google? Because it tends to have a little bit more liquidity. All right, let's come back to Nvda. Nvda hit almost the midline of the upper trend channel here, pulling back to that 8 in a difficult spot to trade, but could add a lot of volatility to the market today. Let's put it up above 211 or below 210.50. Pretty narrow today, so that leads me to believe we could have higher volatility. Bigger money is still at 184.68. 20 days for earnings. Let's go. Tesla, bigger money. Where are ya? Where are you, little rascals? How come you don't want to save on here? 375.85. Up above. So for today, you'd have to reclaim that in order to be able to move to the upside. On the intraday, we've got big money at 373. Let's put up here at 374 or below 371.50. $3.3 billion. Seems like must maybe sold some. Let's go to Wayfair. Oh, we got a couple more minutes here. Wayfair getting into the congestion zone, 66.95 there. I'm going to do it inverted here. Okay. So I would say this is more bullish than bearish today. We got to go below. They just moved this to 66.95. Yeah, so we got to go below that. Let's go 66 or above 75. $100 million in the float there. Let's go to Meta. Meta's not looking good. Hit that 200 exponential right there as well on the daily before it sold off. Now from earnings, where did those guys put their money? Looks like they put it up above, right? Right now it's at 624.67. 624.67 from earnings. Potential day trade here, looking fairly bearish because we are below 618 or down here 606. 2.19 billion. Let's go to pump. Ooh, this one rebounded right off of the 15 EMA. Do you guys see that? Whoops. I need to pull that back one right there to the earnings call zone. This has 96 million in the float. Bigger money is at 1642. Put it up above 1780 here. Or below 1620. And MasterCard, not Mags 7. Ooh, yucky. Earnings. Doesn't seem like the earnings report call has happened just, well, it does. Totally looks like it happened right here. putting it on right there. 516.93. All right. Do we have any lines on here? We sure do. Let's make this 510. $5.18 and $5.10. All right, let's do BMO, and then I'm going to, these levels are not correct, so do not use these. I hope nobody has used those. Whoopsies. Dividend came out. How much is the dividend? It looks like it's dropped more, 1.67. Wrong BMO. Again, that makes a difference. Still had dividends, but it was 122. Do I have any lines on here? No. Gonna put it at yesterday. Let's tighten it up a little bit here. Put it up above 148.60. No, negative 148.50, or below 147.88. Like it. All right. I'm about to jump on over to trade the pool. If you all would like to join me, let me just grab the link. Quick. There we go. Copy. There we go. All right, jumping on over to trade the pool. I hope you don't just have a good day.